what's in my mail. You guys seem to love these videos, and obviously if you love something, I'm gonna make them non-bloody stop. So if you're not too familiar with the concept of what's in my mail, it's basically I show you guys whatever I receive from companies, from PRs and stuff like that. I'm not paid to do this. I'm not obliged to even show this to you. I'm just showing this to you because it's kind of like a haul, but a haul for which I didn't pay. You know, so yes, that's how it goes. So I'm just gonna jump into this video and show you guys everything that I've gotten over this past week, and let's just move into it. So the first thing I want to show to you guys is from Butterly Yours. So they sent in these two things. So first thing is this card holder which says how to be successful, focused on your own shit. It's really cute, and this is what it looks like from the inside. There's like a card of Butterly Yours inside, but yes, it's really cute. I really like it. I'm gonna probably use this really soon. I just don't want to offend people around me. Like if they ask for my card and I'm just like, focus on your own shit, because already a lot of people think I'm a snob or I'm like very high-headed, which I don't know how people get that idea, because if you don't know me personally, you don't know me. You probably can't tell if I'm a snob by the way I pronounce a lipstick's name, you know, just saying. But yes, I don't want to look like a snob because I'm not actually a snob. So yes, the second thing from their company was this beautiful organizer. It looks very luxe and everything, and it says Shreyajan right there, which is something I so like. I love personalized things. But inside, it gets better because it is divided into 4 sections. The first one says Basar, and it also says urgent and important. Then it says O Teriki, important not urgent. Then here it says Bhais ki aankh, urgent not important. And lastly it says Dekh lenge yaar, not important not urgent. So it's really cute, and it's like an organizer like that. You can like peel off the paper once you're done with that day. So yeah, I really like both of these two things. They're very quirky, they're very nice, they're very me, and I like them. Next up, I got this beautiful package from Gillette Venus. So Gillette launched their new razor, which is called Venus Breeze. It's apparently like a razor with inbuilt soap and gel bars like that, and I'm really excited to try this out because if you guys know, I shave, and if like I can reduce one process of the shaving part, like where I foam myself and everything, I'm game for it. Like honestly, I'm game for it. So this beautiful package is beautiful from the inside as well. Let me just open it for you guys. It's slightly difficult to open because it takes a lot of manual labor, but once I am through opening this up, which I'm still not, finally. So this is what it looks inside. So Deepika is the new ambassador, if you don't already know. So there's a Deepika Padukone photograph, obviously, because if you're paying her so much, you might as well put her in each box. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then they have the razors like right here, the razor right here. This is what it looks like. You can't really see it because it's covered with everything, but yeah, the razors right here. Why am I going so dull all of a sudden? Lighting, please focus on me. So yeah, the razors here, and then you get extra blades right here, and then there are 2 candles which smell so beautiful. So yeah, there are 2 candles in there. So that's everything that I got in this Gillette Venus Breeze PR package. Then I got all of the 4 Nykaa's Mattelicious lip crayons. They are launched in 4 colors, but I do know from an insider news that they are planning to launch more colors soon. I don't know when, I don't know where, I don't know how, but yes, they will be planning to launch these soon. I'm not too sure when this video will go up, and probably by that time I might have just reviewed these already. So if I would have, I will leave a link in the bottom bar for you guys so that you can go ahead and check the review out as well. These are beautiful colors and I like them. They're very matte, but they stay on the lips for a really nice time, and they do not dry out your lips. So yeah, I do like them, and they look very cute and classy. They're very, like, they're normal crayon shape. Every company has a crayon like this. Oops, am I supposed to say that? I don't know, but yeah, obviously I can say whatever I feel like. So just saying, every company has a crayon shape like this, and they're color coded from the bottom, which is a good thing because you can obviously make out which color is which. So yeah, we got that. And obviously with these I also got like complimentary sharpeners with each of them. So I have like 4 sharpeners, which is a good thing. Then YBP Cosmetics or Your Beauty Pal Cosmetics decided to spoil me with their sponges. They do not want me to use any other sponge in this world. So they sent me 6 sponges. 4 of them are Lust or the black variant, and then 2 of them are Naked, which is the white variant. I love these. I've been using them non-stop, and this is what I use today for my makeup as well. So I have a nice collection of sponges now. Like from YP itself, I have so many now. I don't need a sponge for the rest of my life, I feel like. Then Lakme sent in their new iconic curling mascara. This is the blue variant. It's so vibrant, it's so beautiful. I posted this photograph of this mascara on my Instagram and so many of you liked it. Let me know if you'd like to see like more just like short snippets of like crazy makeup on Instagram, because I don't really think people on YouTube are interested that much in the crazy makeup, but Instagram is more reachable because I can just like post one photograph, one tight close up and it's all done. For tutorials, I feel like things like which are more wearable are more, you know, searched for. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion. Let me know whatever way you like me to go, because I am very moldable according to you guys. Then Maybelline sent through a love package. They launched a lot of new things, so they sent in that. The first thing that I grabbed are these Lasting Drama Eye Studio waterproof gel pencils. I got them in two colors. One is blue. I hope it's just blue and not like some fancy name. No, it is. It's Lustrous Sapphire. So I got that, and the second color is Glazed Toffee. So I got both of these. I will try to write all of the prices somewhere here or here, because I don't remember or don't even know prices a lot of things. So yeah, I got these two. Then I got the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I already have like 4 or 5 of these. I'm not too sure. So yeah, I got Colossal Kajal. Then I got the Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. I already have it and I used it today as well. I can't really figure out where did it go, but yeah, I already have this one. Then I got the Fit Me Shine Free Balance Foundation. This is in the shade Pure Beige, and okay, I haven't still opened it. So this is what the color looks like. I'm not too sure if this will match me. I feel it's slightly lighter than what I might prefer for my skin, but obviously once you apply it and it oxidizes and everything, that's when you can like clearly say if you like it or not. Then I got their new powder matte lipsticks. I will have a swatch right here so that you guys can see the colors in action and not just when I'm speaking their names out. So I got 4 of those. And then lastly from Maybelline, I got their new Fashion Brow. This is the creamy pencil. I love the original Fashion Brow, although I'm not too sure how I will feel about this, because this is a creamy pencil. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know I like my eyebrow pencil to be more waxy than creamy. But still, I haven't tried this out yet, so I can't really say if I like it or not. But I will let you guys know somewhere. Then I got the Violet Box. So Violet Box has changed their basic products and ingredients and everything. So from a period essential box, they've just turned into a beauty box. So I'm just going to show you what all I got. I'm not going to do a different unboxing or anything now, so I'll just show you right here what I got. So the first thing I have is this coffee and cocoa body wrap. This is what it looks like. This is from a company called Neemly. So I got that. Then I got the Christopher Cocoa. These are like assorted chocolates with fruit and nut. I hope I don't eat the fruit variant because I hate raisins. Then I got this Cal eyeshadow, which sadly broke and it's like all over the place. This is in the shade 09. So I got a couple of things from Cal in this box. So I don't know if it's Cal. Oh, it's CAL for Los Angeles, California, Los Angeles. Oh, okay. So I got the Detail Me mascara. This is what it looks like. It's still in its original packaging and everything. I'll just open it up to show you guys what it looks like from the inside. I've seen this brand all over like Amazon, if I'm not wrong. Like whenever you search for anything, this is the first brand that tends to pop up somehow. So nice work on the SEO. I hate boxes like these which do not open only, and they tend to like break your nails and still not open. I'm just gonna like tear it apart because this is not opening. So this is what the mascara looks like. It looks very luxe. It looks very expensive and it's all gold and nice. Oh, that looks very expensive. I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know what I feel about it. And then I also got the Draw Me eyeliner. Again, just opening it up. This is what the eyeliner looks. The eyeliner doesn't look that luxe, but it's still like an okayish packaging. So I got that eyeliner. Then I got this Teddy Roosevelt instant coffee. I have, I think, another Teddy Roosevelt coffee and I really like it. So I got that. Then I have this Raw Rituals green tea and coffee infused under eye cream. I have a green tea and coffee infused under eye cream by Juicy Chemistry. So I'm really looking forward to try this one out as well. Then I got this Tatha Nature's Blessing body butter. This is in the variant Spicy Sandal. Then we have Raw Rituals caffeine infused body scrub. I'm really looking forward to this because apparently coffee just like reduces the cellulite and well, let's not even talk about cellulite. Next up I have Fuchsia Sandal Saffron Bath Salt. This is what it looks like. Let me just sniff it for you guys. Oh, it smells divine. It smells so good. It's smells so good. Then I got this Velvetina. This is the Fine Fragrance Mist. I don't know what variant this is because it doesn't really state it, but it's a very fruity, fresh, feminine sort of a fragrance. And then lastly I got this Tatha Shower Gel. This is a sample packaging, but overall there are a lot of things that Violet Box gave out and I'm really happy with the box itself. Then next, for another box, I received the Sugar Box. This is the fitness edition, which has been curated by Namrata Purohit, who is like a celebrity fitness trainer. So I'm just gonna show you whatever I got inside my bag. So the first thing that I got is Skin Yoga's Coffee Body Scrub. Again, another coffee body scrub. Go cellulite. Cellulite, wapis ja. Cellulite, wapis ja. So I have tried Skin Yoga products earlier and I really love them. So I got that. Then second thing is this bag which says, you can't always wait for the perfect time. Sometimes you must dare to jump. And it says that because inside we got a skipping rope. Then I got these quinoa puffs. These are peppy cheese and stuff like that. So these are like healthy snacks, and this is what the thing is which I said quinoa. I don't know if it's how it's pronounced. I hope it's pronounced as quinoa. I don't know. So we got that. Then I got the Lazy Girl's Guide to Being Fit by Namrata Purohit herself. So I'm going to be reading this. Although I'm not that lazy girl now, I was like a very lazy girl, but now I'm not that lazy girl. But still, if there's a way in which I can be lazier than what I am and then still be fit, I came for it. Then we got this water bottle which says don't wish for it, work for it, and it's like a liter bottle and it's so cute. I love cute bottles. I'm gonna be definitely sipping my water from this from now onwards. Currently I'm using this bottle by Cafe Coffee Day. It's also very cute. I really like it, which reminds me, let me just like, I try to drink about 3 to 4 liters water every single day. So I love to keep water in a bottle where I can like exactly know how much I've already had or not had. Then in this bag there's a t-shirt which says Misfit, and it also has like a dumbbell sign in the eye. I hope you guys can see it. I'm not gonna like open this up right now because then I'll have to fold it and no, not happening. Then lastly there's a gym bag in there which looks like this. You can imagine pretty well how this will look like. It's just like a nautical striped gym bag, very cute. So yeah, that's everything I got in my Sugar Box for the fitness edition. Again, I'm very happy with this box. It's a very cute box. Let me just tuck everything back in because I don't want to like keep it on my table. My table is already pretty messy. That's why I love backgrounds, because you've got to see nothing. You only see like a clean slate. You don't see the dirt and the mess that I'm living in. And my mom literally just tells me that even a dog like cleans their space and then sit down. You're worse than that. And again, I'm not even ashamed. I'm just like, Pack sent in 40 of their matte lipsticks. These are what they look like. They're a magnetic packaging and they're glossy and black and the colors are beautiful. I'm not going to show you all 40 of them. I'm just going to insert a swatch so you can see all of the shades in one go and see how beautiful they are. These retail, I don't know for how much. I will have it somewhere here because I seriously don't know how much. So yeah, a huge shout out to Pack for sending these beauties to me. And also I shamelessly asked them if they could buy me a warehouse because they also sent in all of their highlighters. The highlighters look like this and they come in 11 variants. I've already swatched and reviewed all of these on my channel, so I will have a link for you guys in the bottom bar so that you guys can go ahead and check them out as well. So yes, that's pretty much everything that I got in my mail for the past week. I hope I covered everything. I seriously do hope. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you didn't, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And yes, I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.